Yeah, it make him little power.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look, my face is red.
Because you're in the sunlight. That's why your face is red. Because you're in the sunlight, you're walking.
Now my face red.
Yeah, that's why your face is red.
I'm so really big.
Can I have your face?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your face is funny.
My face is funny?
Yeah.
Wow.
What's
Say-
that car?
Say,
Mom.
look at me, look at me. Say Shabbat Shalom.
What's that car?
I don't know.
This car?
No.
What's this car?
Look at mommy first.
Up car.
Tagit Shabbat Shalom.
Hello, Kuna.
Shabbat Shalom, Lekolam. Hi, Kuya. Tagit Shabbat Shalom. Right?
Sorry.
Mahaling? No, I don't know. His lip is red. Say bye, everyone.
Also, the window is dirty, but it shows it's clear.
Because of the iPhone. Bye. Shabbat Shalom.